Today topic is safety. Safety is the topic of chapter 1, that is environmental education. Safety means is a state of being safe, and safety is a condition of being protected from harm or risk or danger or injury is called safety. Safety is a word which is used daily by most of the people. It gives directions for the people in the society for facing major problems by society. Safety may be used in different types of situations, but here safety we are studying regarding environmental situations, human behavior safety towards the environmental situations, and human behavior safety while working in different types of industries we are going to study now. Here, safety related to environmental situations that we need to follow, like in agriculture and degradation of land, resource depletion such as water, mineral, forests, sand, and rocks, environmental degradation, public health, loss of biodiversity, and livelihood, security for the poor, air pollution, poor management of waste, water pollution, preservation of quality of forest and biodiversity loss, and land pollution, and people should protect from these environmental issues in order to protect the environment and in order to protect public health is called safety related to environmental situation. By following these preventive measures, public can protect the environment, and those preventive measures are called safety measures, which is used by the society or which is used by the people, that is to protect the environment from harmful effects which is facing by the environment. Definition of safety. Here safety in Telugu called Bhadrata. Safety is relevant to nearly all aspects of human behavior and environmental situations that will contribute to the variety of accidents likely to occur. Here, relevant means suitable, means here human behavior safety related to humans have to follow safety measures while working in the working place. For example, means that their human behavior is needed. Behavior means pravartana in Telugu. Pravartana means human behavior is important for following safety measures during working in the industries. Here, working place example, for example, is industrial safety. Industrial safety related to people working in industries should follow safety measures in order to avoid risk or danger in the industries while working. For examples, workers work in industries may expose some of the accidents. These accidents are called risk or dangers. For these accidents, human behavior is needed, and that is human behavior regarding safety measures need to take by the humans while working in the industries. Taking protective measures by worker is called as safety. Here, contribute means achieving something and hiding from accidents related to environmental situations, the risk related to human behavior is called safety. The condition of being protected from unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury may called as safety. This means safety is a condition of being protected from danger, risk, or injury. Safety is a word used by the most of the people daily in life. Describe the one of the major problems facing society. Safety describes means safety gives directions for the society or people which major problems facing by the society. The problems may be related to environmental situation and the problems may be related to human behavior. In order to hide the problems, the safety measures have to be taken by the people, that is called safety. తెలుగులో సేఫ్టీ అంటే భద్రత. మనం పనిచేసే ప్రదేశంలో ప్రమాదాలకు లేదా గాయాలకు గురి కాకుండా రక్షింపబడే పరిస్థితిని భద్రత అంటారు. మానవ ప్రవర్తన మరియు పర్యావరణ పరిస్థితులకు భద్రత అనేది ప్రమాదాలను నివారించడానికి దోహదపడుతుంది. భద్రత అనేది మనం ఎదుర్కొంటున్న ప్రధాన సమస్యలలో ఒకటి. Here I gave Environmental Day awareness video. By this video, we can have the awareness about environmental issues and safety measures need to take by society, that is to protect the environment. And I gave video of safety at workplace.
Working at height. Studies show that approximately 60% of all deaths from falls occur from heights less than 5 meters. Working at heights has been performed for centuries. In the 1920s, it was seen as an inherent risk. Falls were viewed as unfortunate. Today, it is unacceptable to work at heights without being protected. Studies on falls show that 60% of all fatalities occur from heights of less than 5 meters. At heights under 4 meters, people have less time to react. As a general guide, the position you are in at the time you fall will be the position you land in. That is, a forward position can result in landing on your head. Fall from height. Influences on injury. Height. 1 meter versus 10 meters. Position. Head versus feet. Impact. Concrete. Sand. Types of fall prevention. Elevated work platforms, scaffolds fitted with handrails. Fabricated work platforms fitted with handrails. Ladders, portable and fixed. Man cages. Scaffolds. What is fall protection? It's a device or combination of devices used to arrest a person during a fall. Devices or equipment that can stop a fall in progress. Types of fall protection. Fall arrest system, less than 4 meters. Safety harness, lanyard. Anchor point. Fall arrest system, more than 4 meters. Safety harness. Lanyard with shock absorber. Retractable reel. Anchor point. Safety net. The use of a physical barrier or barriers which prevent people from falling. Prevents a person from being exposed to an open edge, hence prevents them from falling.